We're going to be doing a problem from the Practice and Skills workbook. It's page 123, problem number 4. Graph each equation using the slope and the y-intercept. And the equation is y equals negative x minus 2. So what we're going to do first on this problem is we're going to get into proper form. And remember, we're trying to get into the form of y equals mx plus b. And remember that that form is called our slope-intercept form. So I'm going to take our equation that we have written down, I'm going to line it up right underneath. So I'll write down y equals negative x minus 2. If you go ahead and take a look at the equation that we're using, it's pretty close. They both start off with a y, we got an equal. Now we get to right here, we have a negative in front of our x. Remember that negative x, I'll write it over here, is the same thing as negative 1x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this with a negative 1 in front. Okay, and then here in our slope-intercept form we have an addition sign. We need to change this minus to an addition sign. We're going to do that by changing it to add. The opposite of 2 is a negative 2. And then all we need to do is just take the information that we have here, and it kind of matches up with our slope-intercept form. We have an m, which is going to be the number in front of our x, and the number in front of our x is going to be this negative 1, so that's going to be our slope. And our y-intercept is going to be the part that's being added. So we're adding b, so our y-intercept is negative 2. I'm going to write that down over here. Now to go ahead and do our graphing, we're going to start off with the y-intercept. I'm going to go to my graph, and I'm going to find negative 2. So I'm going to go down negative 2. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go to my slope, which is negative 1. So I'm going to rewrite that in our rise over run form. So I go to my y-intercept. I'm going to go down 1 because it's a rise of negative 1, and then I'm going to do a run of 1. And then I can go and let's pick a line. So we'll go ahead and do that. Oops. Let's see if I can move that over a little bit. And let's make sure that we have some arrows, because remember, this line keeps going on forever in each direction. And just remember that this line is represented by the equation y equals negative x minus 2. And our y-intercept is negative 2. And our slope simplified is going to be the negative 1.